Good morning, students. Today we will study about reproduction in bryophyte. Shows a marked reproduction of bryophyte shows a marked advance over the thallophyta in the method of sexual reproduction. Without exception, it is a highly oogamous in the whole group. The gametes produce a complex sex organ. They have attained a degree of complexity far above that of thallophytes. In the thallophytes, the sex organs are generally simple and unicellular. They are devoid of any wall of sterile cell. The gametes are formed directly out of the protoplasm of the sex cell. Bryophytes, on the other hand, have multicellular jacketed sex organ. Each sex organ consists of an outer protective wall of sterile cell surrounding the cells or a group of cells which produce the gametes. The male sex organ is called the Anthridia and the female sex organ is called Archegonium. If the sex organs are formed in the same plant or in the same thallus, then it is known as monoecious. If they are formed on the different thallus, then they are known as dioecious. Anthridia. The Anthridia is a multicellular object, ellipsoidal or club shaped, sometimes spherical in form. It is borne on a short stalk which attaches it to the gametophytic tissue. Often it is embedded in the latter. The body of the anthridium has a wall of single layer of sterile cells. It surrounds a mass of square or cubical cell called the anthrocytes. The latter produce the biflagellated male gametes called the sperm. Several sperms are produced in each anthridium. They are motile structure. Each sperm usually consists of a minute cylinder spirally curved body furnished with two long terminal whiplash type flagella. Archegonia is the female sex organ of bryophyte. It is divided into the archegonium is a flask-shaped structure. The cylinder elongated upper portion is called the neck and the lower sac-like swollen portion is the venter. Venter is attached to and often deeply embedded in the plant tissues. The neck has a wall of single layer of sterile cell which surrounds the central row of elongated naked cell called the neck canal cell. The neck is usually projecting or freely exposed so as to be accessible to sperm. The venter also has a wall of sterile cell, one or more cell layer in thickness. The venter wall enclosed two cells. They are the larger egg cell or the ovum and the smaller venter canal cell. Fertilization. Fertilization occurs when both the sex organs are mature. Moisture is essential for maturing of the sex organ and also the movement of the sperm to the archegonia. The mature anthridium ruptured at its apex, liberating the sperms. At the same time, the aerial rows of the neck canal cell, including the venter canal cell in the mature archegonia, disorganized. The tip of the way to this ovum is the venter. The liberated sperm swimming in a thin film of water reaching the venter. One of them, probably the first one to reach there, penetrate the ovum. It fuses with the nucleus of the ovum to accomplish fertilization. With the act of fertilization, the gametophytic generation ends and the sporophytic generation starts. The gametes, sperms and egg are the last structure of the gametophytic generation. Thank you.